Senator, nagtatanungan mga tao ngayon parang nablur na yung line between the majority and minority. Sa nakikita namin ngayon, mga assignment ng committees, mga statement ng senators. Ano bang nangyayari? Kumusta? Meron ba bang Magic 7? Magic 5 na lang ba? Magic 4? Ano na ba yan? Saka, anong plano ng mga pinasalamatan ni Senator Mig Zubiri na sa tingin namin hindi kasama ng majority?
Well, as of now, we have decided, no? Yung original seatmates block that we have in the Senate before Senate President Mig Zubiri ascended to the leadership, intact, no? Kasi alam mo, Ami, Ed, and Sec. Ronald, we are proud of this group. Talagang very productive. Kahit noon pa man, we are the ones staying on the floor. We are the ones sponsoring a lot of measures. And we're the workhorse of the Senate, no? Alam po ng lahat ng ating colleagues po yan. And we really feel bad. I have to admit that I really feel bad because I don't think there was really a compelling reason to have a change of leadership. Dahil si Senate President Mig Zubiri is very amiable, very acceptable, loved by everybody. Lahat ng kalang niyang colleagues niya, lahat pinagbibigyan, lahat he allows us to have prerogative on our committees, on our chairmanships. Hindi po siya nakikialam, no? He allowed the Senate to be independent. He's loved by the employees, by the staff, and siguro yun nga po, yung by fighting for the Senate's independence, probably that was the nail on his coffin as well, no? Because of that final hearing, that controversial hearing on PDEA leaks. We would think that was one of the causes of his downfall.
Pero
Senator, kasi I think there's no really reason. Wala namang scandal talaga yan. Wala namang issues, corruption issues. Everybody was satisfied. But I would say that there was really an external factor that really caused him stepping down from the Senate presidency.
Senator, medyo nakakalito nga from our vantage point dahil sabi ni Senate President Mig Zubiri na yung dalawang major na dahilan kung bakit siya natanggal dun sa hindi niya pag-follow ng instruction sa powers that be ay una yung chacha at ikalawa yung hearing on the PDEA leaks. Pero yung mga bumoto laban sa kanya ay parang anti-chacha rin. No? Especially yung pumalit sa kanya, si Chis Escudero. Ikalawa ay yung PDEA leak investigation, mukhang magpapatuloy naman at hindi naman tinanggal si Senator Bato as head ng committee. So, parang kung yun yung dahilan, parang hindi yun yung dahilan.
Sec. Ronald, I am in the leadership. I'm always here. I am the first in, last man out of the floor. That yung coup started, yung coup rumor started January pa. Nung kainitan po ng People's Initiative, nung pong conflict in the House leadership in the Senate, nung pong pinipilit ng House yung PI na ayaw po ng Senado dahil sa tingin namin kargado po yung PI and hindi po yung tunay na People's Initiative. So that already started there, no? Tapos they worked on it slowly. Siguro may mga kasama yung House leadership with some senators here who had other, alam mo naman dito sa politika, no? Walang forever sa politika. Especially in Senate leadership is that change in leadership is an evidence. No permanent friends, only interest, no? Ganyan talaga po ang buhay. Itong PDEA leaks, I think ito yung pinakahuling controversial issue, kaya nga po tingin namin that ito po yung nagamit, no? I would say, ako sasabihin ko na ito sa inyo, sa lahat ng mga colleagues namin, sa aming mga kasamahan dito, wala hong naging kasalanan si Senate President Mig Zubiri sa inyo. Alam nyo po na lahat ng inyong mga hiniling, ni-request, ay pinagbigyan niya, lahat po pinabayaan tayo, no, na dumiskate sa ating mga sariling mga chairmanship. Hindi po pinipigilan because that's the character of the Senate, being the last bastion of democracy, no? That independence has to be upheld at all times.
Yes, sir.
So para magbago ang ilan ng kanilang pagsuporta, ay palagay ko iba na po ang kanila pong intensyon. Ay palagay ko meron ng external forces that moved to have this leadership change.
Yes, sir, yung curious kasi for the past 3 days you've been trying to ask yung mga those who were for the replacement of Senator Mig Zubiri as Senate President. We've been trying to ask them anong dahilan kung bakit pinalitan. The only answers we've gotten so far ay kung ano raw ang hindi dahilan. Hindi raw Chacha, hindi raw Fidelix. Pero wala pa kami makuhang sagot kung ano ang dahilan. So bakit?
Kasi po, nakakatawa nga the past 2 days, napakaraming nag-honor sa leadership. Nag-honor kay Senate President Mig Zubiri, Senate President Pro Tempore Loren Legarda, Majority Leader Joel Villanueva. Ang daming nagbigay ng magagandang tribute kahapon sa kanila. Sabi ko nga, bakit nagbigay kayo ng magagandang tribute at magaganda salita, tapos tinanggal nyo naman. So, wala talaga kasing rason talaga. I know deep inside them, they know that what I'm talking about is true. Kaya, so pasensya na po if I'm still a little bit emotional. Medyo bago pa po, but I'm just telling you what I feel and what is the truth from my point of view.
Parang ganun yata
So,
talaga,
Senator,
Senator,
iulitin ko lang
eulogy.
yung tanong ko. Saan nalalagay ngayon yung mga kakampi ni Senator Mig Zubiri?
Yes, sir.
Will he be part of the opposition, the minority? Ang description ni Senator Migs, independent daw
minority.
siya. Independent minority or what? Ano bang description namin ngayon sa grupo nyo? Or is there even a group?
Well, the good thing about it is yung former seatmates, now the magnificent Magic 7, ngayon po ay Solid 7 ang tawag namin.
Solid 7.
Yes. We agreed to remain independent at this time and to make sure that we will always fight for the independence of the Senate. And siguro we will just let our emotions simmer down a bit kasi medyo syempre masakit pa no? Ilang araw pa lang. Eksakto naman, break ngayon 2 months, so we will have enough time to think about what direction, kung saan kami pupunta. We have the minority has been talking to us, si Minority Leader Coco Pimentel, sabi niya, welcome kayo dito kung gusto nyo. So that will be a big number.
Hindro, bigla magiging siyam.
From
Yes.
to minority, magiging 9. So we're still weighing things. Hindi naman ibig sabihin, pag nag-minority kami, ay opposition na kami at galit kami sa administrasyon. In fact, we have been very supportive. Especially the Senate President Mig Zubiri has been very supportive of the President, no? Programs, priority measures. In fact, Sec Ronald, hindi naman sa pagbubuhat po ng bangko. Siguro 80% ng mga priority measures that were recently passed in the Senate were products of our group ng Senate seatmates, no? Yung akin po lang, yung pong automatic income classification, universal healthcare, no? Malapit naman pa sa yung pong kay Sani Angara kahapon, yung procurement law, mga tax measures ni Senator Gatchalian, ease of doing business ni Senator Zubiri. So halos lahat po, no, ng output of the priority measures are product of our group. Kaya nga nalulungkot kami na is this the price that we have to pay for working and for supporting the administration, no? Tapos bigla na lang sa isang idlap matatanggal kami. So we are now weighing things. We will probably be independent right now, pero pag-iisipan namin kung hindi titigil siguro itong mga black propaganda, siguro alam niyo ang daming black propaganda, siguro trying to justify it. Removal ni SPA, panay hindi naman kasinungaling at kalokohan po yung black propaganda na yun.
Social media.
No, yung mga bukol na yan, no? 60 billion, imposible naman po yun. So, and it will be
Bukol
good. It will be a challenge now for the new accounts, for the new finance head, si Senator Grace po, kilala naman po niya kami, and she will be able to open the books. So siya po magpapatunay kung talagang totoo yung issue na yan. Ako sa tingin ko, yan ay part of the black propaganda. If that doesn't stop, mapipilit na kami mag-minority siguro.
Yeah.
Yes,
Senator, naimbitahan ba kayo dun sa victory dinner sa Malacanang? Paano nandun yung dalawa sa Magnificent Seven, nandun eh. Meron bang kahulugan yon?
Actually, that was scheduled before but it was scheduled. So once in a while, nag-iimbita po sila. Kaya lang, when the leadership change happened on Monday, nagpasya na kami. I'm part of the leadership as well. No? Ako po yung Deputy Majority Leader na hindi na kami pumunta. No? Pero sila Sen. Sherwin and Senator Legarda, sabi namin, pumunta na kayo. No? I think wala naman kayo masyadong issue. Pero ako kasi I still feel bad about mahirap naman plastika, no? Sabi chika tayo na mating masakit, no? Masakit pa eh. Emotions are still high, it's still fresh. Maamin naman ako, talagang nasaktan po ko because I know for a fact that wala namang ginawa kaming masama yung liderato under Sen. President Mig Zubiri. Wala namang naging kasalanan to our colleagues, to the administration, and especially to the Filipino people.
Sen, pag sinabi niyo ayaw niyo makipagplastikan, you're referring to your colleagues in the Senate in that dinner, or are you referring to the host of the dinner?
Well, of course, syempre it will be awkward, Ed, no? Na syempre they were the ones who booted the whole leadership out. Kasama na rin po kami doon. Tapos magkakasama kami kaagad doon sa isang party. Ano pong pag-uusapan ho namin, 'di ba? Napakahirap naman makipag-small talk doon sa mga taong alam mong nagtanggal sa iyo sa pwesto. You know, I am admitting I really feel bad because I really love this job, no? Itong pagiging Deputy Majority Leader ko dahil I find fulfillment. Kami po as a group, pag nag-uusap kami, we talk about what we can do. Nagpaplano kami sa budget, kung ano yung nagpapalitan kami. Wala ho kaming pinag-uusapan na sinasabing project dyan o allocation. Hindi ho namin pinag-uusapan ho yan. No? Kaya doble yung sakit ho sa amin eh. That's why siguro mas okay na lang, manahimik na muna tayo ngayon. And well, we have 2 months, no, to let everything cool down, simmer down. Then probably when mag-decide na lang kami when we are rational, siguro bawas na yung emosyon ng konti.
Kasi sir, if your group does move to the minority, that will change the temper, the color, and the texture of the minority. Yung dating dalawa, magiging siyam. That's 37% already of the Senate.
At saka yung dalawa sa minority, talagang critical sa gobyerno.
We are a formidable force as long as we remain united. No? Dito naman sa new majority, yan iba-ibang grupo, 3, 2, 1. We are the biggest bloc until now in the Senate na solid. And from the time of Senate President Franklin Drilon to Coco Pimentel to Tito Soto, kami po yung intact, no? Kami po yung mga bata, no? Yung seatmates block na inaasahan din dati. And through the years we have remained not only as friends but as colleagues, and na magkakasama po kami as a block, no? So I think we are, as long as we are united, yung aming formidable or solid 7, we will remain a very formidable bloc in the Senate.
Senator, kayong tatlo ni Win Gatchalian at saka si Loren Legarde ay miyembro ng Nationalist People's Coalition, di ba? Was it a party decision to stick it out with Mig Zubiri, Senator Mig Zubiri?
Si Senator Chistin is also NPC actually. No?
Di ba independent siya ngayon?
Yung dito sa amin, usapan lang namin yon. Kasi po, Sec. Ronald, matagal na po kami magkakasama. So, hindi namin nakonsulta yung partido, no, tungkol dito sa move na ito. Kasi sabi ko nga, hindi naman maganda na, para sa akin, personally, sabi ko nga, kahit na tagilid na yung bangka, yung barko, mas lalong hindi ko iiwanan yung aking kasama, no? Madaling if I were only thinking about my interest, no, yung politically and kung ano man ang yung privileges o benefits sa pagiging majority, ang dalihong tumalon ang daling pumirma, sumama doon sa bagong mayorya. Kaya lang, siyempre minsan pairalin pa rin natin yung prinsipyo. Kaya hindi ko pa pwedeng iwanan si Senate President Mig Zubiri because I know deep in my heart, wala ho siya naging kasalanan sa colleagues namin at lalo na sa ibang tao.
Para lang sa public, Senator, ano ba implication if you become part of the minority? kung yung senador magiging membro ng minority, ano yun, apart from requirement na meron kayong presence sa lahat ng committees, hindi ba? Apart from that, ano yung ibig sabihin nun kung member kayo ng minority?
Well, we will just play our role not as obstructionist, Ami, no. Ang magiging role namin, sabi ko na namin supporter kami ng administration dati, no. Hanggang ngayon naman. Kasi ang success ng pangulo, ng administrasyon, success naman po nating lahat. We will just become the fiscalizers, no. Pag may magandang ginagawa, susuporta namin, programa maganda, tutulungan naming maipasa. Pero kung may tingin kaming hindi maganda at tagilid, siguro yan ang dapat namin punahin. So alam naman po natin that the Senate being the last bastion of democracy, character po talaga ng Senado ang maging independent. And we would want to keep the Senate's independence always a priority.
Paano yung mga party dyan? Kasi nalilito din ang mga tao Parang lahat ng galaw, it happens of course in both chambers. Parang walang hindi gumagalaw along party lines ang mga politicians natin, especially in the Senate and the House. Kumusta yung party system natin? Parang no party system na dyan sa mga nangyayaring yan.
Naman ho talaga tayong party system, no? It's more popular naman dito, lalo rito, we are 24 republics, ang sabi nga nila sa Senado.
Yes.
As I mentioned earlier, the change in leadership only goes to show that no permanent friends, only interests. No? Kaya lang, I think that I think we will have a good role to play as fiscalizers to make sure that all laws or measures that will be passed dadaan sa magandang pagsusuri, no. And in fact, Ami, Ed, and Ronald, ang isa sa ina-accuse sa ASP makes babagal daw ang Senado. Alam niyo naman po talaga ibang character. I've been with the House before, naging miyembro po ako ng House of Representatives. Being a congressman of the district, ang concern ko yung may uwi ko sa distrito ko. The Senate, as nationally elected officials, yung mandate namin, talaga national interest din po ang aming pananaw. Kaya bago ka makapagpasa dito ng isang panukala, talagang dadaan sa butas ng karayom. And I think, si Minority Leader Coco Pimentel, kahit dalawa lang ho sila, they are playing the role. No, talagang seryoso nila, talagang minsan isang measure talagang linggo bago matapos, no. So and even I would just like to thank also si Coco Pimentel, kahit na po siya ay minority, he had some good words na sinabi niya, napakaganda nung naging relationship ng majority minority, no. They were able to play their roles as fiscalizers. So siguro magandang yun ang tingin namin na tinitignan naming maging role namin as independents or minority. Titignan natin kung siguraduhin natin na we will be fiscalized. Make sure that the independence of the Senate will always be a priority.
So walang impacto sa party politics. Ibig ko sabihin, walang mag-emerge na strongest party, for example, as a result of what's happening now in the Senate. Wala namang ganon. Walang epekto sa mga party membership.
Wala naman siguro, wala naman instruction sa party namin na especially this change of leadership. Tatlo kami NPC rito na sa bloke namin, si Senator Gatchalian, Senator Legarda. Tapos nandun sa majority ngayon sila Lito Lapid at Cheese Cordero. So NPC, 5 ho kaming total ditong NPC So yun nga lang, magkaiba na kami ng panic ngayon.
Okay, sir. Sir, maraming salamat. Senator JB Ejercito, good to see you again and good to talk to you.